Hey folks, it's Andrew from Two Wheel Addicts, and today we're having a look at heated gloves, in particular this offering from Five, the HG-1 EVOs. They're a middle of the range offering. Of course, there's the Prime GTX, which are the duck's nuts, and have a few more features, including a little bit more Gore-Tex, and the entry-level HG3s. But today we're going to look at the HG1s. Now, those of you who follow the website will know that I'm a huge fan of Five gloves. They fit my hands perfectly, they're comfortable, they're just a good product. And that's what you come to expect from a company that just concentrates on making gloves, no other products. So a little bit about these gloves. The heating actually takes place in the fingers and on top of the gloves. So if you're going to wear these gloves with heated grips, they'll work perfectly. They'll work in unison. The heated grips will take care of your palms. And of course, where you're going to get the airflow and the chill on your hands is across the top and on your fingers. These bad boys will take care of that for you. Now in the box you'll get a charger, obviously 2 gloves, because that's what gloves come in pairs, and a battery for each. So the batteries are nice and easy, just plug in, plug out, exactly the same for charging, and they just zip into that little pocket there. So the trickiest bit is remembering the charge from the night before, because yours truly can be a bit of a simpleton at times and occasionally doesn't do it. But during winter these things have been a godsend. I tend to ride early in the morning, 6:30, 7 o'clock, so the battery life works for me. So basically when you turn them on, these little lights will light up on both gloves. If you can see them there, you'll have your battery charge at the top. On the second glove here, you'll have your heating. So they're on full, we press the button, medium, low. Each of those settings will determine your battery life. So you'll get around 2 hours on full, stretches to 4 to 5 if you've got the medium setting on, and you'll get about 6 to 8 hours on low. And we've found that pretty accurate with our riding. Of course, being a heated glove and having more parts, the gloves will be a little bit thicker than your normal winter offering, and straight out of the box they will be a little stiff. 3 or 4 wears, that stiffness goes away and they become quite flexible. You can see that we've worn these quite a lot, and these have got plenty of flex, now giving plenty of feel on the handlebars and accelerator. These retail for about $399.95. If you're one of those people who wants the top of the range, and we've all got a mate who does, you've got the Prime GTX, they'll set you back around $499, and Five describe them as the ducks, as the bee's knees. They're the ones to have, but honestly, we can't fault these. These have been terrific. They've been a godsend during our winter riding, and they'll be in the kit bag for many more winters to come. Now, if you're interested in the full written review on these gloves, or any of the other Five gloves we've tested, and there's been a few, go visit the website, www.twowheeladdicts.com.au. There's a whole heap of gear reviews, which will help you out for all your riding needs. See you soon.